Nice and lovely. Welcome back guys. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo and the team, and again and again. Garlic tea, all right? This is the secret of garlic tea today. Get 2 cloves of garlic. All right. And put 1 garlic inside of the pan, in the cup. Just use the back of a knife and crush the garlic straight inside of it, just like that. All right. Give you this, my secret recipes. This is what Chef Ricardo drink at night before you go to bed. Then get the water from the kettle. I have some organic honey. All you need to do, dip the spoon inside of it, your teaspoon, and make it drain off. And then you dip it into your cup and just sweeten it like this. Yes, perfect. Drink this on an empty stomach at night, in the morning, and 1 at night before you go to your bed. So this one, I'm gonna drink this before I go to my bed tonight. When you wake up in the morning, you're gonna be feeling totally different, 100%. The only thing with this kind of tea, it makes you will see what happened to you if you drink this up to 5 morning and or 5 night before you go to your bed. When you finish eat and drink, all right, you drink that the last thing. Don't drink no water or anything after. Drink this the last thing. The garlic, make it dissolve into the water for about 10 minutes. Meantime, you know what I mean, and drink it. It's amazing, guys. You will love it 100%. And I want to say, you know what, garlic tea, I never know, but it's one of the best in the world, and I love it, and I'm sharing with someone tonight. Give it a try, give it a go. Don't forget to follow Chef Ricardo Food News channel. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And please subscribe to the channel. I just put up video like once a week or twice a week, you know what I mean, because I got the main YouTube channel. So I share some garlic tea with my fans on that channel. I will see you next time with more recipes.